Alright, so files auto-guess encoding. When enabled, the editor will attempt to guess the character set encoding when opening files. The setting can also be configured per language. Now, I used to have the setting as true because it's cool for VS Code to try and guess the encoding of a file. However, this works horribly wrong for a lot of files. So by default, most of your files will be UTF-8, right? The problem is that if you have this setting set to false and VS Code assumes UTF-8, like so, in this setting, most of your files will be okay, right? Because most of your files will actually be UTF-8. And very rarely you'll have files in another encodings. But if you have this auto-guess encoding turned on, a lot of your UTF-8 files will be interpreted as having other types of encodings, and it just messes the visualization of the characters. So after using this for a bit, my suggestion is set this to false, because the auto-guess encoding really sucks. And by the way, this is not a deterministic function. It's actually the guessing algorithm uses heuristics, and they fail a lot of times. So set it to false.